This is Galaxy Z Fold 5, Samsung's latest folding phone. This phone has special features that people will find valuable, and the battery life is surprisingly good with the new chip. Z Fold 5 is ideal for the on-go productivity in an Uber or train, no need for a laptop. Its 7.6-inch square screen fits entire documents easily than a regular plus-size phone. The inner screen is 120Hz smooth and sharp with thin bezels, and it goes up to 1750 nits peak brightness. You can still see everything even in the bright sunlight. The square aspect ratio has its downside. Watching movies on it is less impressive. YouTube videos on this phone are slightly larger than S23 Ultra. On Z Fold 5, apps like Gmail are more productive. Read emails while scrolling through your inbox. Google Chrome shows tabs like a desktop, which makes switching faster. You can open something in a new window which automatically splits screen in two Chrome windows, and it also go up to 3 apps in split screen view. The Z Fold has this cool taskbar, something you won't find on regular phones. This phone also have a DeX which gives you a desktop experience when connected to an external display. This is the only phone with a split keyboard by default, which helps to make typing easier. What makes it great for productivity is S Pen's port. This S Pen does not have Bluetooth. Even without Bluetooth, the S Pen's button works. You can set a shortcut to open any app by double tapping the screen while holding the button. Writing on the fold feels fantastic. It's ideal for making sketches and drawings as compared to any other normal phone. When folded, it's thick but not as wide as the S23 Ultra, and at 253 grams, it's not too heavy. Carrying it feels as easy as any large phone, and its slim design easily slides into pockets. This year, it has a new hinge that closes fully, preventing more dust from getting inside. When folded, it feels normal with that 6.2-inch outer screen. The narrower aspect ratio is fine for text replies and checking notifications. You can easily type with one hand, and narrowness is actually a benefit here. Samsung software for transitioning between the inner and outer screen works great. The back is matte glass and the sides along with the hinge are made of aluminum, and there is a fingerprint scanner on the power button. Overall, the build quality is solid. The hinge can hold any angle and it's designed to prevent catching your finger. Also, there is a selfie lens on the outer screen. Because of its form factor, the Z Fold is great for taking pictures. You can film with ultra-wide, main lens or telephoto, even capturing yourself. The outer screen preview is handy for group photos, letting others see the shot. The photos and videos look really nice, almost the same as the S23 Ultra or iPhone in good lighting, including the ultra-wide shots. With the ultra-wide selfie on the fold, the preview allows to frame it perfectly. Z Fold lacks a 10x telephoto lens compared to the S23 Ultra. Its 3x telephoto lens is good and similar with S23 quality. In video, fold is slightly worse at night, but hard to tell if you are not zooming in. The battery life and performance will surprise you even though it has a bigger screen than the S23 Ultra. For 1 hour running a gaming benchmark, it dropped only 4% more than S23 Ultra. After 3 hours of 4K video playback, it performed as well as the S23 Ultra. So this is it for this phone. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and for more product reviews, stay with us. Thank you.